loaded cheeseburgers. First, Wagyu beef or beef that's at least 20% fat. Grab some cheese, grab some bacon, onions, mushrooms, whatever you want, some ketchup. Now let's lock and load some cheeseburgers. Come on. As you can see, we rolled it out in between 2 pieces of wax paper and or parchment paper. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup here. Go ahead and spread that nice and thin. Using bagged cheese, so sue me. Remember, whatever ingredients that you put in here cannot be too thick or take up too much room here, because we are going to get all of this in the middle and fold it into the burgers. Now, the beautiful part about making loaded burgers this way is you can individually make them for whoever you want. Just separate the portions here. Now, these are going to be approximately 6. So I'm going to make 2 of these without bacon and some without onion. Do a little bit of seasoning over all of it though, in the middle. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of garlic powder, MSG, a little bit of accent, a little bit of sauteed onion into a couple of these. This is going to be mine, the one that has everything in it. The mushrooms and the MSG create an umami-like flavor, very savory flavor that is going to go really good with the burger and ketchup mixture. A little bit of cheese here. There we go. Now, fold this over half, right there. Gotta flatten them out and even out the burgers, plus it will seal those ingredients in the burger before we fry them up. A pizza cutter. Pizza? This is a burger, Randy. Yeah, I know. And hopefully you got them right on the line. If not, it'll work out, trust me. We're gonna take this, put it on a pan, stick it in the refrigerator. Now that we have our burgers loaded, we're gonna leave them in the fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you want, you can put them in between little pieces of wax paper and freeze them. In 10 minutes, let's fry something. Heat up your pan and slap your burger on there. Add a little more salt. I'm gonna add a little brown mustard. After about 4 minutes, go ahead and give this thing a flip. Little press, a little bit more seasoning. Brown mustard, little salt, tiny bit of pepper. Don't want to overdo it. Now, you can add any cheese you want, but for a good old American cheeseburger and this loaded cheeseburger, I'm gonna stick with American. You got a leg, go ahead and put that on there and steam it. There we go. As soon as that cheese is melted enough for you, go ahead and take it off there, plate it. I'm gonna add a little dab of hot sauce here on the buns. And some campfire sauce. Like the kind they make at Red Robin. Simple as that. Take your burger. Plate it. Clean up as you go. Haha! And voila! One loaded cheeseburger. Enjoy! Oh, that campfire sauce. That campfire sauce is delicious. Oh, you don't know how to make it? Well, this next coming week, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will handle campfire sauce, Visco sauce from Steak and Shake, and Big Mac sauce from McDonald's. See you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.